Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to convert Excel files into a zip format. This process is incredibly useful for managing your data efficiently. Zipping your Excel spreadsheets can significantly reduce their file size, often by 20 to 80%, which makes them much faster to send via email or upload to cloud storage. It also helps keep related documents together in one neat package, improving your overall file organization. Let's dive into the simple steps. For Windows users, compressing your Excel files is a straightforward process. First, navigate to the location of your Excel file or files. Once you've found them, simply right-click on your selection. From the context menu that appears, hover your mouse over the Send to option. Then, click on Compressed Zipped folder. A new zip archive containing your Excel data will instantly appear in the same folder, ready for sharing or storage. Mac users can also easily compress their Excel files using a similar built-in function. Begin by locating your desired Excel file or multiple files in Finder. Next, perform a control click or a two-finger click on your selection to bring up the contextual menu. From this menu, simply choose the Compress Items option. Your Mac will then create a new zip archive, usually named archive.zip, right there in the same folder, ready for use. Compressing your Excel files offers several key advantages. Beyond saving valuable storage space on your device, it dramatically speeds up the process of sending large spreadsheets via email or uploading them to online platforms. For sensitive information, you can even add password protection to your zip archives, enhancing data security. Remember to always keep a backup of your original Excel files before compressing, ensuring your data remains safe and accessible. Happy zipping!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.